Now, if you look at my equipment, you can see how I both changed with the times and yet fundamentally remained true to my origins. So now you can see, you can recognize if you study the story that the cricket was the game that was changing according to the time, but still it was original in its rural terms. Okay, in its originality it was not changed. Most of my important tools are made of natural pre-industrial material. The ball is made with leather, twine and cork, and even today both bat and ball are handmade. See, the time has passes and passed and still the cricket has also changed according to the time, but still the bat and balls are made hand manually, means by hands. And what material is used for making ball? Leather, twine and cork. The material of the bat, however, has changed slightly over time. Although the material of the bat has slightly, there is only a little change in the material of the bat making. Once it was cut out of a single piece of board, but it now consists of two pieces. Means in the beginning it was made of only one piece, but now it consists of two pieces. The blade, which is made out of the wood of the willow tree, and the handle made out of cane, that becomes available as European colonists and trading companies established themselves in Asia. Okay, so these are the material by which the bat and balls are made. Unlike golf and tennis, I have refused to remake my tools with industrial or man-made materials. Plastic, fiberglass and metal have been firmly rejected. Means time has passed and a lot of changes has appeared in cricket, but cricket has rejected the change of its materials like plastic, fiberglass. It is also still made of wood and the trees like twine, cork, willow tree, etc. But in the matter of protective equipments, although the bat and ball are made of the natural resources, but in the protective equipments like gloves, shin pads, helmets, I have indeed been influenced by technological changes. The invention of vulcanized rubber led to the introduction of pads in 1848 and protective gloves soon afterwards. Means only the gloves or the helmet, these are the things that are made of other material like plastic or rubber or etc. or platinum, whatever. And a modern me would be unimaginable without helmets made out of metal and synthetic lightweight material. Without nowadays, without playing without gloves and helmets is just a foolish act, since you can get hurt. My origins in India are to be found in Bombay, and in India, cricket started from Bombay. The first Indian community to start playing the game was the small community of Zoroastrians and the Parsis, who were brought into close contact with the British because of their interest in trade. So, who were the first person who